Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shahad Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make manual changeover wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Energy meter, double pole MCB circuit breaker, changeover, generator, another MCB circuit breaker, home load, phase connection to energy meter phase point, neutral connection to single phase energy meter neutral point, phase connection outgoing from meter and connect with double pole MCB, phase connection outgoing from MCB and connect with changeover switch, neutral connection outgoing from meter and connect with MCB, neutral connection outgoing from MCB and connect with changeover switch, phase connection outgoing from generator and connect with another MCB phase point, phase connection outgoing from MCB and connect with changeover another point, neutral connection connected to MCB from generator, neutral connection from MCB to connect with changeover another point, phase short in changeover, neutral short in changeover, phase connection from changeover to home, neutral connection from changeover to home. Now this circuit is ready for use. Viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.